Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about something that every vinyl lover needs, but most people sleep on: the HumminGuru Orbit Static Remover for vinyl records. And the big question is this thing actually worth it, or is it just a fancy gadget? Let's break it down with real numbers. Here's the deal. If you've ever pulled a record out of its sleeve and watched it cling to everything around it, your sleeve, your shirt, stray dust particles, that's static electricity doing its thing. And that static? It's literally ruining your listening experience by causing pops, crackles, and distortions during playback. The HumminGuru Orbit is engineered specifically to kill that problem dead. Now, what makes this different from those old-school anti-static guns you've seen floating around? Great question. Traditional anti-static guns can only shoot either a positive or a negative ion in a single emission, meaning you have to do two separate passes and manually try to balance both charges. That's inconsistent, that's annoying, and honestly, it just doesn't work that well. The Orbit changes all of that. Here's where the numbers get really impressive. The Orbit is equipped with dual plasma output heads and a high-speed internal fan that simultaneously discharges over 50 million positive and 50 million negative ions per cubic centimeter at the exact same time. It sits exactly 23 millimeters above your record surface during operation, ensuring a precise, consistent distance every single time. No guesswork, no manual balancing, just pure, even static neutralization across the entire record surface. And what do those numbers actually mean in real-world use? It means by the time the Orbit finishes its cycle, your record is as close to statically neutral as it gets, which translates directly to quieter playback, better bass response, and a cleaner overall sound. Audiophiles who've tested this have reported noticeably reduced surface noise right from the first spin. Here's how it works in practice. And it could not be simpler. You place the Orbit on your turntable spindle, press one button, and it automatically performs exactly 10 full rotations around your record, blanketing the entire surface with that balanced ion output. Then it stops on its own, completely hands-free. No holding it steady, no timers, no technique required. It's compatible with turntable platters with a minimum diameter of 326 millimeters, which works with virtually every standard 12-inch turntable on the market. Why is the Orbit such a popular choice among vinyl enthusiasts? Because it's rechargeable via USB-C. It runs for 100 or more uses on a single charge, and it comes with two 6mm anti-static spindle adapters that make it compatible with spindle heights up to 23 millimeters. It even has a built-in battery indicator, so you always know your power status. It's been featured in Hi-Fi Choice UK magazine, and HumminGuru, based in Hong Kong, has built a serious reputation as one of the top names in vinyl care. This is the kind of tool that becomes a seamless part of your listening ritual. Press, rotate, play. That's it. And the long-term benefit is just as real. Records that stay neutralized attract less dust over time, which means your stylus stays cleaner and your collection stays in better shape. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.